Like feeling the sand between your toes, this 2018 Sandpiper 365 SAQB from TerryTown RV will take you right to your happy place. This massive fifth wheel boasts a high-gloss, color-matched, gel-coated fiberglass exterior and 4 slide-out rooms. Across the front, you'll see an aerodynamic painted two-tone front cap with improved turning radius and integrated LED lights. The exterior docking station gives you easy access to tank maintenance, winterization tools, and satellite hookups. The hydraulic slide-outs have an interior height of 6 foot 4 inches. This unit has a rear roof ladder and gutters with extra long drip spouts to avoid black streaks. The large exterior camp kitchen has a refrigerator, sink, microwave, and storage cabinets. Quad entry steps that lead into the unit are lighted for safety. Covering the floor inside the Sandpiper, you'll see Beauflor rustic wood plank linoleum and carpet accents around the slide-out rooms. The living area includes a tri-fold hide-a-bed sofa and a booth-style dinette that folds out into a bed and has storage underneath the benches. There are roller shades on the windows as well. The designer kitchen includes solid surface countertops, a stainless steel appliance package, and a residential pull-out faucet. There's a large rear bunkhouse that features opposing bunk beds, a pull-out sleeper sofa, a huge wardrobe, and an attached half bath. The half bath has its own entrance from outside the unit. In the master bathroom, you'll see a colored shower with etched tile pattern and glass doors. In the master bedroom, there's a slide-out queen bed with side windows for cross ventilation, a Serta memory foam mattress, 32-inch TV on a swing arm, and stain-resistant carpeting underfoot. Visit us at TerryTownRV.com or give us a call at 616-426-6407. Our friendly, experienced salespeople make it their job to help you find the right RV at the right price. Our prices are the lowest in the nation, guaranteed, and our inventory is overflowing with top RV brands. You'll save when you shop with us.